Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon, friends. Postless session is always very trying session. And I have got a presentation which is literally garden press. Director Horticulture is going to give a presentation. So having consumed an audience, I hope all of you are wonderful audience and will not let me down in discouraging or not questioning the pretensions made by our presenters. Afternoon session for IT and e-governance, that too inclusive governance, requires that whatever we aim for the public for inclusiveness, let that be debated later on. But at least all those who are present here, let their inclusive involvement be there. Otherwise, it becomes exclusive talk, one-way talk, and then nobody listens. और ये भी खत्म हो जाएगा, फिर देखें अगला वाला शायद में भी बेटर है. But I assure you that this time all the presenters, all the three persons who are going to present, our Civil Supply Department MD, Assist will be going to make this presentation. And but on e-governance and inclusiveness, I would like to certainly tell two things which has been discussed in the morning session also. We all think that IT can solve all the problems. Even Lord Jagannath refuses to solve and listen to such type of assertions. So IT professionals should understand this before they present any case to the government, that you are going to solve a part of the problem, but solve it the way it may work even if the person departs. Many times we sell a solution, the buyer and seller at that point of time are very enthusiastic, but either of them leave, the whole things become a pilot, and from a pilot to literally get grounded, and it means a fate which is not desired for a product. Same thing is true for inclusive government. I am one of those who believe that too much of emphasis on E in governance is creating the current problem. People want less government, people want better governance. E can help us in delivering that. If you have listened to the talk given in the morning, right from Honorable Chief Minister till the last speaker, all of us are trying to solve the issues, trying to solve the problems of the people in different ways. In fact, all of the old saying that blind man trying to identify elephant, everybody is right. In fact, everybody is 200% right. But the end result is that operation is successful, patient is no more. So all the product, all the schemes, in fact, I always tell that all my predecessors have done better than me. I have done better than all of them. But when I leave, in fact, there is a Latin saying that if you visit a place after 2 months, you will find everything different. But if you visit the same place after 2 years, you will find that nothing has. This has become literally true for many IT initiatives. The time has come to take stock of this, why this happens. Is it because we are trying to sell very complicated solutions? Or is it when we are trying to oversell and overbuy? Or is it also an issue that two blind men trying to take with a colored glass, which one is better? Either it is not useful, either it is useless, but we are trying to sell each other a product, which both of us know, the buyer and seller both know, that has no relevance very soon. Similarly, we also at times ignore the role of connectivity. We always blame the connectivity as an issue. The initiative that we have taken, I have taken in my lifetime, in the departments where I was there, be it Panchayati Raj, be it rural development, because I have been only in these two departments only. So I don't have much experience, but here I have a lot of experience. Because I have worked for almost 10 years, 3 months in this department. And When you try to implement a system where the person with least education, if he cannot handle, if all the time we require Bill Gates and that standard people, no system will work. We also learned something from the Apple ecosystem. Why iTunes is more important than many other music systems that has been developed for computer. And the simplicity of its use, the moment you create a file for folder for Ghazal, only Ghazal will be there in that folder, nothing else will be there in that folder. How come in our iTunes of applications, how come in our iTunes of ecosystem, when you club and port certain things differently, you get some different result other than what you intended. Same thing is true for the people's perspective. We are very good planners, we are very good implementers, but at the end of the day, how much benefit is being derived by the general public? Where inclusiveness is there. Like we all talk about railway reservation. Railway reservation has gone through many versions, so many versions that nobody has ever noticed. But all the versions have become more customer friendly. Many times in government, all the versions are a little more complicated than the previous. Because we think that everybody is more wise than what we expect. And end of the day, the product fails. My idea of inclusive government is that our inclusive IT application is which does not require any intelligence to handle. Which automatically uploads and goes to the next version with only one click. It itself says that new version is available. All of us are using iPads and iPhones. You don't need to remember when this version has been improved. You get a notification, you just say yes, and it takes only a couple of seconds in case you are in a good connection. It may take a couple of minutes in case you are in a bad connection zone. Similar thing should be when we are able to handle our requirement like a software developer. If you have a new version of Facebook, the iPad updates itself. User is very comfortable. Have we developed any system where a citizen gets any government service? He also knows the updates and he also can update his requirement without meeting any government function. Because interface with government employees has not been very encouraging for anyone, including the government servant most of the time. Very few people want to interact with government physically face to face, unless there are real or exterior motives. People want to be away from the government, but they don't want to be away from governance. IT applications can deliver this, bridge this gap. Ladies and gentlemen, all of you are in for very exciting talk by my colleagues. The ELTS and the IT department has done a very wonderful presentation for the day. Don't let us down once again. Be watchful, be eyeful, be inclusive. Because only then inclusive government or inclusive governance can happen. Let me invite Mr. Vasis to begin with.